Jasmine here with my comic book review of the week. It is Uncanny X-Force number 5. Really like this book. A new arc starts right here, so Deathlock's back, crazy. This issue is really Phantom X heavy, and I liked it a lot. It's well written. I don't like the art though. A little too boxy. Wolverine's drawn really weird. Actually, everyone's drawn really weird, so let's put it that way. I did like, however, though, how Wolverine has a line where he basically says, I'm being pulled too thin here. I'm on this team and that team and that team. Why are you guys pulling me in and stuff? I don't need to be in. So I liked it. I give it like a 4 out of 5 skulls.
How's it going, everybody? Brandon here with my comic reviews this week. First off, I got Justice League of America number 54. I'm really loving the team. It's kind of some oddball people, not people you'd expect. You know, you got Dick Grayson as Batman, you got Supergirl instead of Superman, which I like, Donna Troy. I'm really liking the second-tier characters kind of being in charge of the league now. But I feel like this is kind of a filler story. It's Eclipso, but it's not too solid. I'm gonna keep reading it because, like I said, I love the team, but I'd give this 3 skulls out of 5. My second review this week is Amazing Spider-Man 654.1. It's kind of an intro for the new Venom book that's coming out, which I'm very excited for. Flash Thompson is Venom. Really cool direction they're going with this. I cannot wait to read it, and this is a really cool just starting point to get you into that. So I would definitely check it out. I'm giving this one 5 out of 5 skulls.